Hey guys, it's Fanatic Guide with another video, and today what I have is the calculator program I have open on my computer, the calculator program on Windows 7, and what I have it on is scientific mode, basic. There are three modes: standard, scientific, programmer, which is like this. It's good for programming. Move it back up here. And statistics. Like so. And if you see that, it's pretty much one of my previous videos. It's part of the outro version 1.0. It pretty much takes up the entire video because I think it's about a minute long. So just change it back to scientific. What the interpretation of the video is, if you're watching this on Pi Day, it is good for Pi Day, so these are the factors of pi, or multiples I meant to say. Let's start out with pi. This is good for finding the circumference. For an example, what I'm going to do is take a circle. This will be the middle. I'm not a very good drawer. That is the radius. I'm going to draw a solid line. And of course, if I do this, that's an uneven circle. That will be the diameter. This right here is the diameter. This is the radius. Okay. That's the diameter. And of course, if you just take a circle, the circle around it, for demonstrational purposes, is the circumference. So to find the circumference, you have to do diameter equal, this is circumference equals V. Why do I come up with the wrong ideas? Circumference equals diameter times pi. Just put a multiple sign. So if this were the diameter, I would do, if this were the diameter, I'd say my diameter is, let's say, 10 feet. Then 10 times pi equals 31.4. Our circumference would be 31.4 equals the circumference. There's one optional way to do it. The radius will be 5, so optional, but okay. This is the optional way to do it. My mind just blanked out, so okay, 2 pi r would be the circumference, so the optional way to do it would be 2 times 5 times pi, which would be our circumference. That's one way to find the circumference of a circle. Like you just saw in Photoshop, I did that. It can be used for finding the circumference. So let's get to the real part. I did this in one of my videos, my other videos. Times 2. That's obvious. You saw that in one of my. If you follow the videos on my channel, you might have seen that I made a video on calculator test with pi multiplied by 2. Pi times 3. Pi times 4. I'm gonna get up to 9 instead of 10. 3.14 times 5. Why did I just skip a huge part? That was unintentional, by the way. But this takes most of it. 3.14. You just saw it would be 3.14 times 2, 6.8. Never mind about that. Just using this is simpler. No, not divide. Times 7. 21. Obviously, like you just saw there. Times 8. Wait, what? Times 8. That makes no sense. 28. Okay. I thought that was supposed to be. Never mind. What basically would be is 3.14 times 3, 9.42, 3.14 times, omit the other 4, 12.56, 3.14 times 7. Did I just miss a part? 15.7, 3.14 times 6. I didn't think you would have seen that. 25.12. 9. 28.26. Okay, now that we've done that, you can use this for statistics. This is scientific. And for statistics, it's like, to find some statistics, let's just take this, multiply it by 100. It'll move the decimal place over some. Let's just multiply this times 100 times. Let's just do this by a lot. It'll move it. If you multiply it by 100, it'll take the decimal place 2 places out to the right. And then if you increase the amount of zeros, it'll move more right. Yeah, please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll do more of this in the future, hopefully.